Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another look for 31 days of beauty. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't know what I'm talking about, I have a playlist down at the bottom. Check video number 1, she explained everything that's going on. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe Madison Bear. I think that's how you say it. This is the Channel Surfing Artistry palette. I've had this in my collection for quite some time. I think honestly I got this when I started working at Ulta, and I've been at Ulta for about a couple of years now. Yeah. And never used it. But it's a very beautiful neutral palette. Of course, y'all know Morphe. But this one really was, I think, very popular at that time when it came out. And I never did anything with it, so we're gonna do something with her today. The first thing I want to do is take my brow bone highlights. I don't think it's anything similar. Now I'm looking. It's nothing really similar to the palette in this palette that I like to use. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to pat this right underneath my eyebrows. This is the brow bone highlight. So the first shade I'm going to play in with is going to be, they have the eyeshadow names on this little thing, which I usually throw away, but today I gotta keep her for the sake of the names. It's gonna be the shade 3553, which is this one right here. I'm gonna take that shade and I am going to pop it in my crease. Wow, that came, whoa. Good job, Morphe. This was a really good, this is my blending brush too, so this packed on really nice. I was expecting to soften this up, but okay. All right, and then the shade I want to use to kind of like help blend this out. Let's go in with, ooh, I do not like that name for this. We're gonna call it In a Dress. Why would y'all name it Devil? That's so weird. Okay, yes, this one. We're gonna rebuke that eyeshadow name color. Some of these brands, I think, honestly, don't be caring. And I know why they don't be caring, because I know how deep and dark they go. Like, that's a whole different topic, whole different video. But I'm just saying, like, this is more like not a commercial palette, but this was a very popular brand. I think more people kind of like sleeping on them now. But at this time when this came out, this was very popular. So for them to name that in a palette, it's like, why? Why put something negative of a name into a palette? That's all I'm saying. So we're taking that shade and I'm just trying to soften it up just a little bit. All right, for the lid, I would like to go in with, I'm trying to find a lid color that I usually wouldn't like go for right away. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I don't think I would have necessarily went for that. It has a little bit of a pink and red tone to it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow base on the lid. And usually I will apply this with my finger, but I want to use my eyeshadow brush, and I am going to wet it with some eyeshadow, what is this? Some setting spray. You know what? I'm going to switch the colors. It's been telling me that I've done something like that before, so we're switching it up. And I will show you guys the color in a minute. But I'm going to put that all over the lid, and ooh. I like the fact that I switched this up. This is something I don't think I would have, leaned towards on a regular. I was trying to stay away from the pinks and the bronzy looking colors, the gold, the silver, and add something, different. Yeah, this eyeshadow is definitely like a purple plum color, but a lighter version of that, if that makes sense. So this is what she looks like in the palette. And I honestly like how she looks too. And I have a question because I've been trying to find a balance when it comes to like my makeup tutorials, especially for this week. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I like to have a balance of having like a cut crease makeup look and then of course non-cut crease looks. So I think I've asked you guys this, but it's been a while and I know I got more people following me now. So my question for you guys, just curious, what do you guys prefer when it comes to makeup tutorials? Do you like a cut crease look more, or do you like a non-cut crease style of look? Because I know not everybody knows how to do a cut crease or have the space for a cut crease look. But y'all can clearly see I have a lot of space, so that's why I tend to go for a cut crease more often. And plus, I do feel like when you do a cut crease, you can add a little bit more eyeshadows on your eyelid, on your eyes. So that's one of the ways I like to do it. Do a cut crease. All right. I'm just flickering that right in the inner crease. So make sure they are blended together. Yeah, this is a really pretty color. I didn't even add no glue for this to pop like this. This is really gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna go back in with that 3553 shade, that dark brown. And I'm just gonna pop that towards the outer. Kind of really smoke it out towards the outer. I want to use some of this black, but I was like, no, let's stay away from the black. Then again, I feel like I can, right? No, I'm gonna stay away. I'm gonna stay away from the black. I'm gonna stay away from the black. I think that's gonna do for now for the eyes. So I'm gonna quickly do my wing and then I'll come back to finish up the eye look. I'm gonna my voice is going out. I'm gonna put the same brown that I have on the crease down just at the bottom. I definitely love this mirror that's in here. Definitely like the perfect size. I just added a little bit of this color right here. Not too much because I didn't want it to take over, but just to open up the eyes just a little bit. I'm gonna set my face with this MAC spray. Is this one right here? She's growing on me. I don't know how I fully feel about her, but she's definitely growing on me. Really quick for the lips. I can do a color lip being that we did a neutral eye. Alright, I tried to, y'all. I'm just a neutral type of girl. I can't get out the funk. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my, what is this? My NYX pencil. She needs to be sharpened. And then we're just gonna, then I'm just gonna go for a sheer gloss. I'm gonna go in with the shade Butterscotch. Something quick and easy on the lips. All right, I'm gonna pop on lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, my loves, this is going to complete the look. I am very happy with this. I know it's a very simple look, but I feel like my simple girls deserve a simple look as well. during this 31 days of beauty, and this palette is definitely giving me that. I like this a lot. I know y'all gonna like this too. So let me know down in the comment section, do anybody got this palette? Did you pick it up? Did you declutter it? Like, what's the tea? Let me know your thoughts about this palette if you guys happen to purchase it, or give me a reason why you didn't purchase this when this did come out. Sadly, this is discontinued because it was a limited edition style of palette, but I do feel like you can get these shades in some other neutral palettes, not in all neutral palettes, but some in particular, because this metallic shade, I definitely feel like it has a different staple piece to it, and that's like a little bit of like a purple plum. I really like this. That's why I paired it up with a purple. My purple top, yes. So please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you guys are feeling today's makeup look, and also leave me your feedback down at the bottom. I would greatly appreciate that. You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because we ain't done quite yet for 31 days of beauty. Bye guys.